Hey everybody, Hunter Fisher, Trapper, Trader, Guide, Scout, and Interpreter, and just a country cook, Steve Hall, here in Nashville, Tennessee, along with Shishi and Jen. Hi, Sheila.
Hi, this is Shishi.
Hi, this is Jen.
And we're back today to do another recipe, and we are still on location, and we are still in Jen's kitchen.
And what are we having today?
Chicken.
Chicken. Sheila likes chicken.
Baked chicken.
We're having baked chicken and potato and a creamy garlic sauce.
Yes.
And it is absolutely delicious. And so we've got our chicken thighs, and we're using chicken thighs because they stay nice and tender, they don't dry out, and they're delicious in this recipe. And we've got our seasoning here. So in this seasoning we have garlic salt, garlic powder, we have paprika, and we've got a little bit of red pepper. We're just going to sprinkle that, and we're going to sprinkle it evenly over all the different thighs. So once we get that all completely covered, we're going to cover it with some Saran Wrap, and we're going to let it marinate in the refrigerator for about an hour while we do some other things.
So what do we do next, Jen?
Okay, well then next we're going to Yukon Gold potatoes and red potatoes, and we're going to chop these into 8 pieces, and we're going to pre-cook these potatoes because potatoes take a little bit longer to cook, and longer than the chicken does. So we want to pre-cut these into about 8 pieces. So you can cut 2 and 2 usually. You could do them in 4s, but I'm going to do them a little bit smaller. Well, I'm going to try without killing myself.
I'm glad you got the knife.
I know. I think I need a sharper knife. But anyway, we're gonna chop these up. Put these in our dish, our baking dish that has olive oil already basted on the bottom. So once we have them all chopped up, we're going to add olive oil to the top of them, and we're going to put it in the oven for about 30 minutes on 400 degrees. Okay, so I've added a little bit of butter now and a little bit of olive oil in here. I've got it on medium heat. And what you want to do is you want to take the thighs, we took them out, we've been marinating them for an hour, and you're going to put it face down, skin down first on medium heat for about 3 minutes on each side. And we're just going to sear that outside of that chicken. And let that cook. Okay, so these have been 3 minutes on this side. We're going to flip them over now. Doesn't that look delicious?
It does. Look at that.
Oh my gosh, it looks good.
Crispy.
Makes it look pretty.
It does. This is going to be a really good recipe.
Yes. And we're going to let that sear for another 3 minutes. When these are done, we're going to take them out and just put them aside. And in the same pan, we're going to add 3 to 4 cups of spinach. And we're going to just mix this in with the butter and the olive oil that's already there. And we can also add a little bit more olive oil. Sheila and I love olive oil.
Oh, I love it. On salads, anything.
And we're just going to stir that up. And absorb all that flavor from the chicken. And you don't want to like overcook these. You just want them just where they're wilted a little bit because they're going to continue to cook in the oven. So just enough to get that flavor on there. Looking good. And then we're going to put that aside in the dish.
In the same pan that we just took the spinach out of, we're going to add a 1/4 cup of butter in there and melt it in with the olive oil and all of it together. And this way.
We're going to make that creamy garlic sauce.
Now we're about to drink this right here.
That's right.
Mhm.
And you want to melt that so that you want to turn down your heat definitely because you don't want to burn the garlic. So you just get that where it's melting. So we've got the garlic in there, and I'm going to pour a little bit more olive oil. You don't want that, you definitely don't want the garlic to burn, so 'cause that will not taste good. So very important that you just melt it, stir it up. And then we're going to add about a cup of chicken broth. There we go. Okay. And I'm going to add a half a cup of half and half. Half a cup of heavy whipping cream. Stir it all together. I have to turn that back up just a little bit. And we're going to add a little bit of Parmesan cheese. You can make that as cheesy and creamy as you want. Here. So while that's thickening, we're going to add a little bit of basil. And a little bit of fresh parsley. Yummy.
Yeah, now we're really getting colorful.
And we're going to pull those potatoes out of the oven, and we're going to start putting all this together.
We just took these potatoes out of the oven and they have been cooking for about a half an hour, and now we're going to add the chicken. And
Yes. Doesn't that look good?
looks really good.
All right, so I'm just going to take some of these chickens, and we're going to, you can put them on top, or you can kind of wedge them in between. And
Then we got the spinach over here.
yeah, we're going to just kind of, this is going to be a full pan of meat in here. And I'm just going to kind of, all those potatoes. And if they're a little heavy on one side, you can just move some of them on over. And all the colors with the red potatoes and the Yukon Golds.
It's got a lot of color to
Isn't
it.
it nice? Okay, you want to put some spinach, and we'll just put a little bit on around the edges, just a little bit, kind of around and in the middle.
All right.
This is so you can say you're really eating healthy, Mom. I'm eating healthy. I'm eating my spinach.
Popeye and Olive Oil will be so proud of us.
That's right. And then once we're done with that, we're going to take this yummy, cheesy garlic, and we're going to just pour that all over. And you can do that around the edges. You can do it over the top. I mean, everybody's got their preference. I like to see the chicken a little bit, you know. So we're going to have Sheila put this in the oven for about 40 minutes on 400 degrees, and we're going to let it bake, and we'll be back.
Now I'll take it.
Yummy.
We just got this back out of the oven, and it was in the oven for 45 minutes at 400 degrees.
Yes,
Got
400
it right.
degrees. She got it right.
Yeah.
Go, Shishi. Woohoo!
Yeah.
We were taking bets. It looks absolutely delicious. Well, let's try it, shall we?
Okay,
Are you ready to try this?
I'm ready. Good.
You good? Let's do it.
Ready?
Uh-huh. Oh. That's really great. I love that garlic butter taste. Look at her face. You know she's happy. Her eyes are like, yeah. As Steve would say, is this the best baked chicken and potato and creamy garlic sauce? If it ain't, it ought to be.
Okay, we just got this out of the oven. It was in there for like 45 minutes, and for
400 degrees.
yeah, we got it covered. 400. Write that down over here.
I put a big cue card up there.
and nothing on it but 400.
Okay.
All right.
Well, that's She and Jen, them two girls having too much fun. We hope you enjoy this recipe, and we really hope you subscribe to our channel. That's easy. Little Shotgun Red's face will pop up over here in a little bit. When you click on it, it'll say subscribe, then you're subscribed. Next to it will be a little notification bell. If you click that little bell, then YouTube will send you every single one of our recipes or a notification that we posted one as soon as it comes out. See you next time right here on Cooking with Shotgun Red. Is this the best? If it ain't, it ought to be.